This is a 610-759 and the 610-760. Now this is the proper way to actually install this. Well, this one's, the 610-759 is new. But when you take off all your tins off your engine, you can clean it, you know, get a long bristle wire brush and clean off around your cylinder there and your head and everything. Get all the dirt off it, so it runs a little cooler, because these engines run hot. Because they didn't build a big enough flywheel housing for these like they did with the Coilers. Heck, this is like almost the size of the 8-horse K181 Coiler, where the when it goes to the 10-horse on the Coiler, they jump up to a big one, and then they run that all the way up to the 18-horse. Now, like Tecumseh, they ran the same size flywheel, exact flywheel. I mean, not the exact flywheel, but the exact same size. And they ran that all the way up to the OH180. And, but anyways, like with these parts, you can see I got a flag on that, a little rubber flag, rubber boot on that flag connector there. And what I do even on the back of these, now I know this one looks a little funny because it's got that on it. That's because this transformer came off a generator. So it's not really like grounded, and so you don't short this out. They put that wire mesh on there and just ground it. I mean, I don't know. But then what I do is like even this one, I already did the test on this. But I also, because I've noticed in the past, you know, messing around with the hundreds of these, that I put silicone on the back of that. That's that little, what you see on the back of that there. I just put it all up around that, because that little sharp edge there has a tendency to cut into this wire. And this wire right here is very crucial. You cannot touch no metal while it's in run mode, or it'll take out that transformer and it'll take out that module right there, which is that thing, junk. But anyways, you put these bolts in loose like this, so you can turn it all the way clockwise. Then take this and put it down behind your tab and push your tab in. And then make sure you have that routed like this, so that wire goes in towards the crank, and put it on. The reason for that is, though, is if it was facing up this way, that barb right there is very sharp. It'll rip that sucker off in a New York minute. But anyways, I can install this. This is mainly a transformer test, because I've been using this new 610-759. Oh yes, before I go any further with that, because what I was supposed to show you, I didn't show it in the other video either, is before you put that on there though, you go ahead and you turn this all the way counterclockwise. That's why I said leave these ones loose. These ones here loose. Then you turn that all the way counterclockwise. Tighten these down 5 to 7 foot-pounds. It's in the item description though, and where you'll see these parts, or maybe this one later. You can see she's got good hot sparks. A lot of that, if you got no spark and you know your components are good, magnet. That thing, and what it says in the book, which sounds like it's some ancient stuff back in the 60s that says hold a screwdriver, if you can hold a screwdriver 3/4 of an inch away from the magnet that pulls it towards it, then you know it's good. And that's what it says. I mean, right there it's trying to pull it. But anyways, there they are.